making it out today, doing a video. Not the exact video that I wanted to, at least I don't think so. My friend Britt called me to meet up and do a ride, so that's where I'm going at the moment. Yeah, want to do a review on the mic that I have in the helmet, which, a little bit of a spoiler alert, is not going to be staying in my helmet. Yeah, but I will do that review most likely tomorrow. Try to get out before it rains. So yeah, making my way up to Edgewater. Gonna meet him at Wawa to get some gas and then cruise around. It's been about a week since I've been out on the bike, but yeah, been riding BMX a lot with my son, which has been ridiculous, so amazing. He is already getting so good at riding, and he's only 2. But yeah, also been enjoying getting on the BMX bike myself. Since the last time that I've taken any pictures or videos of the bike, I have put 2 new parts on. The first of all were the new intake covers that are now black. We'll point at them in a couple of minutes. But other than that, I got the Montone shifter peg, which put on a couple days ago. This is the first ride out with it. Do like it. Definitely have to say that running Van shoes, it's not as soft shifting up gears, but I like that it is machined and more slippery than the rubber stock one, so moving my foot around, don't feel like it's dragging my shoe across a foot peg and sticking, which I like a lot. But yeah, so black covers, hopefully you can see that. Super psyched on those. I was originally going to keep the brushed aluminum ones, but I think it was pulling a little bit too much attention to the center of the bike during pictures, personally. So did the black ones, and yeah, very happy. Gonna take a picture, at least 1 or 2 during this ride, so you'll get to see the side profile of it now. Oh, and the shifter peg. Met up with Britt. Hopefully you can hear me over his exhaust. Yeah, gonna do some roads down in Davidsonville, take the long way, get on 50 for a little bit, and get into downtown Annapolis. Yeah, it'll be good times, good roads. So yeah, he is on a Triumph Street Triple. That is the original bike that I had started looking at. Yeah, with that being said, that is why I did not get it. So, essentially having the son, trying to tame myself from being too reckless. Really like the bobber, nice cruiser, comfortable. It's still good on back roads. We'll be having some wheelies in the video. Do need to make sure to pay attention to what gear I'm in and not bog it out. So, but don't normally ride with too many people, so riding with a friend who is doing wheelies definitely grabs my attention. So, main thing about riding is knowing your limitations and your bike's limitations and how fast your friends pull from you, besides when there's a school bus in front. So, yeah. And also, be careful going around turns and essentially riding roads that you don't know. Fortunately, I do know these roads pretty well, so knowing that the hump was there, because if I didn't slow down and downshift, I definitely would have been over into, I believe, that Tesla. Just know your roads and know when to potentially do dumb stuff and when not to. Yeah, main thing is just enjoying yourself out on a bike. This is really showing me the suspension difference on our bikes, other than the fact that his bike is just way quicker on back roads than mine. And yeah, already going. Essentially, don't really know my limitations quite yet on turn radius of the bobber, at least with dragging foot pegs. One of the first times, well, there it is, just touch the right one or left one. With that being said, that is why he is going to be pulling from me, because this bike definitely drags foot pegs pretty easily. I forgot to say, even though earlier I said that I was going to take the mic out of the helmet, I definitely am going to make a video doing the mic a couple different places, but I'll just say that I'm actually enjoying talking during this video, so. And then always gotta be kind to cyclists. So, nice titanium frame right there. It looked like a Lightspeed. Custom titanium bikes. More old school though. So, also perfect example, don't have to keep up with them, ride your limitations. Not feeling bad, just trying to be smart. Let's turn right here. This was like riding with this Reef Triple on a Bobber Black. So bad thing about GoPros are the battery, which is not unknown. Any day of testing out this shifter peg, I am happy it's today, because on certain spots of this ride, definitely riding to this bike's limit. So like right here, don't hit gravel. peg right there. And he's gone. And now it is time to drive like a dad. Happy to finally get to ride the motorcycle down to downtown Annapolis. It's been a while. I don't even know if I've ever ridden this bike down here. I'm sure that I have, but it was definitely before it was mine, when it was still my dad's. So now have all the modifications done to it that I care to do right now. Like I said, probably going to do the rear shock in the future. But yeah, very happy with how the bike is, how it sits. Gonna go down, take a picture where one of my other friends, Birch, who runs the channel LifeofBurch, always takes a picture of his bike. Come on, Virginia. Let's heat these not back road tires up. You too, man.
Text me when you get home.
Likewise. Alrighty, let's get home. Been out longer than I expected. Went into Ace trying to get something which they did not have. So that being on top of being late and wanting to be home and hanging out with family. I don't know. Kinda bummed. Shouldn't be bummed. Let's get home. Had a great ride with Britt. Definitely rode this bike way more to its limits than I ever have before. Well, that looks so sketchy. Hope you guys could see in the video that that steel plate legitimately flexed, as well as that one did. So yeah, definitely gonna drive around those. In the car, if one of those fails, don't really care. On the bike, very much do. Yeah, essentially they've been doing a lot of road work around here in the last 6-8 months, and the quality of work is pretty poor. But yeah, I don't know, hopefully they'll fix it in the future. Like always, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Help me make these videos. Yeah, essentially do what I want, but film them so you guys have entertainment as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.